Elon Musk is a man of so many promises, and sometimes he does tend to overpromise other things. He also has a tendency to postpone products every now and then. He recently made a statement about the future of Tesla, and all I can say is wow. Some of the Tesla fans will definitely be angry, while others will be eager for what Tesla has planned. One of the things that he talked about was the famously known Tesla bot. After what he said, it's clear that he has a great plan for it. All we can do is wait and see. But what did he say about it? Make sure you watch the video until the end to find out. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. In today's video, we're going to have a look at the plans that Tesla has for the long-awaited Tesla bot. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Elon Musk so that you don't miss any more of our videos. And with that said, what does Elon Musk plan for the Tesla bot? Well, let's find out. We all know that when Elon Musk talks about something, it always seems a little exaggerated or even close to impossible. However, he ends up proving us all wrong. When he first talked about going to Mars, we all thought that it was just a fantasy and that he would let it go eventually. However, SpaceX has been working day and night to ensure that that plan comes to action. And now, it seems like it may happen a little sooner than we expected. So, what does that mean for Tesla bot? Will it become reality? Well, during Tesla's AI Day in August 2021, Elon Musk took to the stage to introduce the Tesla bot. However, the bot was actually a human in a suit that is said to resemble the bot's design. According to Musk, the 5-foot 8-inch tall robot would greatly help in performing tasks that humans mostly get bored of doing, or those that are quite dangerous to humans. According to Elon Musk, during this reveal, he said there would be a prototype by around 2022. However, in January 2022, he talked about the Tesla bot. During Tesla's earnings call in January 2022, Elon Musk talked about what Tesla has planned. And it is clear to all fans that the priority is not even about cars. We are sorry to those who are waiting for the Tesla Cybertruck to be released. Elon Musk said that the top priority for the company is producing the Tesla bot, or as it's internally named, Optimus. This means that the much-awaited Cybertruck and other vehicles like the Semi and the Roadster have been put on hold first. So this means that all the resources of Tesla are being directed towards developing Optimus. According to Musk, the robot project has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. He says that the first application of the robots would be to move parts around the factory or something like that. Musk plans to have a prototype running by 2022. And putting into consideration the way Tesla is giving a priority, I think we might actually see that come to pass. Later on, Elon Musk stated that the foundation of the economy is labor, and that capital equipment is distilled labor. So, what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? To him, he isn't sure what the term economy will mean at that point. Where does this place the vehicle sector? Does this mean that they will stop producing more cars? It does not. There is a serious chip shortage in the electric vehicle industry. However, Tesla can still manage to get enough to sustain the development and delivery of other cars. What they can't do is create new vehicles. Tesla customers and investors were mostly disappointed when they heard what Musk's plans for the company were. Even more when Elon Musk announced that he would not be introducing any new vehicle models in 2022. The main reason is that they would come at the expense of overall production volumes. Over the years, we've all seen the advancement of robotics, and this has greatly affected the production industry. Most companies have been able to replace certain workers with these machines. A great example is the automaker industry. When you ever look at the production of cars, they heavily apply the use of robots, which has replaced a lot of people. However, the current technology still has some limitations. For example, you'll find that most tasks still need to be performed by humans. And now, that's the whole idea behind Optimus. Musk stated that Optimus is intended to be friendly and navigate through a world of humans and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. So, Elon Musk is developing this robot with the idea of revolutionizing the world even further. Elon Musk is doing this with the future in mind. The Tesla bot is said to run on the same system of artificial intelligence as that of Tesla's driver assistance technology, such as autopilot. This simply means that Tesla wants to create artificial general intelligence, or AGI if you prefer. I think it's right to say that Tesla is among the leading companies in the world when it comes to robotics and artificial intelligence. This is all thanks to its electric vehicles, which are said to come with self-driving capabilities. Musk even describes them as robots on wheels, and clearly the company is not stopping there. On January 19, 2022, Musk tweeted, "Tesla AI might play a role in AGI, given that it trains against the outside world, especially with the advent of Optimus." To better understand the extent of this project, think of AGI as a machine that is fully capable of understanding the world just as well as a human can. This machine will have the capacity to learn how to carry out a huge range of tasks. So, this is not just any small project that a company might choose to work on. It's a really great project, and if it succeeds, it will definitely put Tesla ahead of any other company. However, there's one fan who joked about the project. He tweeted, "Glad the foundational seeds of AGI are in the hands of a benevolent company, led by someone who is aware of and extremely cautious about AGI gone awry. Try not to summon the demon at Elon Musk." Elon Musk later on replied, stating that they're going to do their very best, and that decentralized control of robots will be critical. By this, Musk means that they would distribute control of the robot to various agencies and partners. This is to avoid the Terminator becoming a reality. As much as the main goal of the Tesla bot is to perform dangerous and boring tasks that are normally performed by humans, Elon Musk also foresees the robot becoming a companion. While on the Lex Fridman podcast, he said that the bot would make an incredible buddy like R2-D2 or C-3PO. Musk says that the robot will be a general purpose machine. However, he says that it will be paired with some kind of universal income in the future. Musk says that this is necessary, especially when the bot takes your job. However, just like a dog, he says that it could make a good companion. To Musk, he believes that he could develop a personality over time that is unique. It's not like all the robots are the same. The personality could evolve to match the owner, or whatever you want to call it. However, Musk did not promise any of this. In fact, he said that right now, they're working on the robot being useful first, and then the rest will come later. Musk, however, has not given a time frame on when the development will start and finish. However, he did say that it's his hope they will have a decent prototype by the end of 2022. He also promised that the robot will have a decentralized control switch. This means that it can be overpowered by the average human in the event of it turning into the Terminator, or in the event that it starts acting up. Given Musk's tendency to overpromise and push projects further, we can only wait and see whether or not it'll come to pass. And that brings us to the end of the video, guys. What do you think of the Tesla bot, or is it now called Optimus? Do you think Tesla will manage to build it? Feel free to leave your comments down below, and check out what other people are saying about it. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.